Hi, automobile enthusiasts. Today, welcome to the immersive world of BMW X7. If you are ready, let's start this adrenaline-filled journey. The front design of the BMW X7 tells a fascinating story with every detail. Adorned with finely crafted details, this vehicle offers a dazzling aesthetic. Among the innovations, there are remarkable features. For example, the optional crystal headlights create an elegant shine on the front of the vehicle. These headlights are important not only in terms of their functionality, but also in terms of design, because they add a sophisticated atmosphere to the vehicle. We also see that the kidney-shaped grille, which is a functional part of the front grille and the symbol of the brand, now shines brightly. While these details form a primary focal point on the front profile of the BMW X7, they also offer a modern and stylish touch that enhances the driving experience. The front design of the BMW X7 stands out as an indicator of the attention to detail and sense of aesthetics. The rear design of the BMW X7 brings together power, elegance, and functionality in perfect harmony. The vehicle is decorated with eye-catching details and impressive features. Finely crafted taillights offer a modern touch, while their shape and position are in perfect harmony with the overall aesthetics of the vehicle. The rear profile makes a strong and sophisticated impression when driving on the road. The trunk lid offers a large space, providing the user with a large storage capacity. This is a practical feature that makes the BMW X7 an ideal option for families. In addition, the exhaust outlets at the bottom of the trunk lid highlight the sporty character of the vehicle. Another striking detail in the rear design of the BMW X7 is the diffuser design at the bottom of the rear bumper. This diffuser increases aerodynamic performance and gives the vehicle a sporty and dynamic appearance. As a result, the rear design of the BMW X7 blends power and elegance in perfect balance, offering the user a satisfying experience in terms of functionality and aesthetics. These details emphasize that the X7 is a premium and striking car and attracts the eyes of those coming from behind. The interior of the BMW X7 is a paradise full of luxury and innovative features. Large digital displays offer a visual feast, perfectly placed controls, and an intuitive user experience. Luxury features in the interior, such as heated seats, panoramic glass roof, electrically adjustable steering wheel, and interior lighting, increase your driving pleasure. However, some details may be a minor drawback for those seeking comfort, especially the movement of the second-row seats. For long journeys, the width of the rear seats may not be sufficient for some users. Overall, the X7's interior feels spacious and luxurious. In terms of infotainment systems, the iDrive system offers a modern look with a large touchscreen. The system comes with features like user-friendly gesture controls and Wi-Fi hotspot. Finally, optional features like the Harman Kardon stereo system and wireless charging provide an enjoyable experience for the driver and passengers. So, the engine performance of the BMW X7 is not only powerful, but also offers an exciting driving experience. The X7 xDrive 40i model offers entry-level performance with its 375 horsepower turbo 6-cylinder engine. The other option, the M60i, has a 4.4-liter V8 engine with 2 turbos and 523 horsepower. The Alpina XB7 model has a special version based on this V8 engine with 630 horsepower. All 3 engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time all-wheel drive. Each model of the X7 is equipped with pneumatic suspension and adaptive shock absorbers, further improving the driving experience. The handling of the BMW X7 is extremely precise and sharp. Even large wheels do not affect the driving pleasure. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay with us in the exciting world of automobile enthusiasts.